Hello, I'm Mrs. Manisha Pradeep Khaire, continuing with the chapter Introduction to Dosage Form. In this part 3, I'm going to discuss semi-solid dosage form and sterile dosage form. Semi-solid dosage form. Semi-solid dosage forms are dermatological preparations intended to apply externally on the skin to produce local or systemic effect. Advantages: they are useful to provide site-specific application of drug on affected area. They are useful to avoid first-pass metabolism of drug, that is destruction of drug in liver by enzymes. Third, they are convenient for unconscious patient and they are more stable than liquid dosage form. Disadvantages are they may stain the clothes, they are less stable than solid dosage form, and if particle size is larger, it may cause irritation. First, we will see ointment. Ointments, these are semi-solid preparation meant for external application to the skin. Drug may be dissolved, suspended or emulsified in ointment base. Ointment base usually contains soft paraffin, hard paraffin and liquid paraffin. Generally, they are used as protective and emollient purpose. For example, simple ointment, benzoic acid ointment. Creams, these are viscous semi-solid emulsions meant for external application to the skin, for example, cold cream. Paste, they are semi-solid preparation intended for external application. It contains high amount of solid particles than ointment. Pastes are very thick, stiff and less greasy. For example, zinc oxide paste and toothpaste. Gels or jellies, they are transparent or translucent, non-greasy, semi-solid preparation meant for external application. They usually contain gelatin and tragacanth and used for lubrication of surgical gloves and ECG instrument, for example, diclofenac gel. Suppositories, they are solid or stiffened semi-solid dosage form meant for insertion into body cavities like rectum or vagina. They melt at body temperature and release the drug and provide local action. Pessaries, these are suppositories meant for use in vagina for local and systemic effect, for example, lactic acid pessary. Then next dosage form we will see, that is sterile dosage form. Parenteral preparations are sterile products that are given by other than oral route. First we will see injections. Sterile solutions or suspension of drugs meant for introduction into body by means of an injecting needle through one or more layers of the skin. Injection should be sterile, isotonic and free from foreign particles. Injections have advantage like rapid effect in emergency and they are suitable for unconscious patients, and drugs that degrade in the GI tract can be given by the injection. Injections must be administered by trained person and it requires sterile condition for manufacturing and administration. The disadvantage of this injection is that it is a very painful process. The next we will see, that is ophthalmic preparations. These are the sterile products meant for instillation into eye. Ophthalmic product includes eye drop, eye lotion, eye ointment, eye suspensions and contact lens solutions. They may contain pyrogen. Most of the requirements of ophthalmic are same as that of the parenteral. Mixture of yellow soft paraffin, liquid paraffin and wool fat is generally used as a base in eye ointment. Then implants, these are sterile dosage form which are placed below the skin after minor surgery. They are meant to provide prolonged drug release. Thank you.